Hello everyone, let's try to have another solid mensuration problem, and this is our series number 7. Let us now start solving a C board exam problem. And this is our C board problem in our session. Find the curved surface area of a cone if its land height is 60 centimeters and the radius of its base is 21 centimeters. Now, how do we solve the problem? First and foremost, let's take a look of this figure. This figure is actually a right circular cone. And as we can see, we have its slant height by using the variable letter L and a depth of letter H and a radius of R. Now, if we intend to solve for the volume of this cone, it is actually our formula. The volume of a right circular cone is equal to 1/3 times pi times r squared times the h as a depth. Coming up next, if we intend to solve for the lateral surface area of the right circular cone, we have lateral surface area is equals to pi times the radius times the slant height, or pi rl. But if we are about to calculate for the value of the slant height L, again, this is our formula. When calculating for the slant height L is equal to the square root of r squared plus h squared. But how about the total surface area? Actually, this is our formula. When calculating for the total surface area, the formula is this. TSA is equals to pi RL plus pi r squared, or TSA equals pi r times L plus r. And now, we can start solving the problem. For our givens in this C board problem, we have the slant height L, which is equal to 60 centimeters, and the radius r equals to 21 centimeters. And what is being required for us to solve in this given C board problem is actually the curved surface area of a cone. Now, how do we solve for the curved surface area of a cone? It is actually the lateral surface area that we have to calculate, and that is LSA is equal to pi RL. Again, our lateral surface area, LSA or SA, equals pi RL. Finally, after substitution process, SA is equals to pi times 21 centimeters as the radius of the right circular cone and times 60 centimeters as the slant height of our right circular cone. Finally, this is our answer to this given board problem. Our lateral surface area or curved surface area is equal to 3958.41 square centimeters, or 3958.41 square centimeters. Again, I repeat, our curved surface area is equal to 3958.41 square centimeters. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.